Hi everyone, I'm Nikita and welcome back to Sprich mal Deutsch. So in today's lesson we will be checking out the German alphabets. So in German language we have 26 alphabets which are same as that of English. In addition to those we have 3 extra alphabets which are basically the vowels which comes along with the umlaut. So we'll be checking out what umlaut is in today's video. And we also have an extra character. The pronunciation of all these alphabets is a bit different than that of English. So for all my Indian viewers, for your convenience, I have come up with the pronunciation of these alphabets in Devanagari font. So I hope that you all will enjoy my video, and let's begin. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So now let us check the 3 additional alphabets and the character. So before that I want you to know what umlaut is. So the 2 dots which are placed on the head of the 3 vowels in German language, these dots are called as umlauts. And the vowels on which these dots are placed are namely A, O and U. In English, those are A, O and U. So when umlaut appears on the head of the vowel A, that is A in German, the pronunciation of this alphabet becomes E, that is E. And when the umlaut appears on O, the pronunciation of this alphabet becomes Ö. The next one is U. When you have umlaut on U, the pronunciation becomes Ü. And finally we have a character which is SZ, and it is used in place of a voiceless double S following a long vowel.
So thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you like my video, please hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel and share my video with everyone. So in the next video we will be watching some simple German words. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, cheers!